down. Okay, let's see. Is that your song? Hi everybody, it's Jillana from BMF, and today I need your help. I have a few bird friends who are lost. Help me, I'm lost. They can't find their mommies and daddies. Oh. Hello, birdie. Hi. Will you help me? Yay! How can we help you find your mommy and daddy? What do they look like? I don't remember, but I know what they sound like. Oh, what do they sound like? Well, our song goes like this. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Can you sing it with us? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, I gotta look for them. Should I look up, down, side, or side? I'm gonna look up. Is that my song? Does my song go tweet, tweet, tweet? No, my song goes tweet, tweet, tweet. I'm gonna look to this side. Is that my song? No, my song goes tweet, tweet, tweet. I'm gonna look this way. What do I hear? Is that my song? Yeah, my song goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Aw, we helped one birdie find mom and dad. Let's see what birdie is next. Hi, I'm a cockatoo. I lost my mom and dad. Oh no, you lost your mom and dad. Yeah. Can you help me find them? Can we help them find them? Yeah. What does your song sound like? My song sounds like this. Tweet, tweet, tweet. All right, where should we look first? I want to look down. Okay, let's see. Is that your song? No. Is that my song? No. My song goes tweet, tweet, tweet. All right, where do you want to look? I'll look this way. Ready? What do we hear? Is that my song? No. Sing my song with me. It goes tweet, tweet, tweet. All right, where should I look? Where do you think I should look? Up? Oh, yay! Was that my sound? Yeah! Thank you, thank you! All right. I have another birdie friend who needs our help. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Would you help me? My name is Robin, and I lost my mom and dad. Will you help me? You will? Yay! Okay. I hear this sound. This is what we're looking for. This is my song. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Can you sing it with me? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay, where should I look? I'm gonna look over here. Is that my song? No. Let's sing my song together again. My song goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Where should I look now? Should I look up here? Is that my song? No? Where should I look? Should I look this way? Yeah? Is that my song? Yeah! Thank you, thank you, thank you! I have one more friend left. Quack. Hello. Quack. Quack. Are you doing okay, Mallard Duck? Quack, quack, quack. I'm so sad. I need to find my mommy and daddy. I feel lost, and I feel scared, and I feel terrified, and I feel bad, and I feel sad. Okay, we get it. And I feel mad, and I feel bad, and I feel sad, and I feel terrified. Did I say I feel terrified? Okay, Mallard Duck. We're okay. We're gonna help you. Are you sure you'll help me? Because I feel bad and I feel... Okay, we'll help you. What does your song sound like? Well, it's more of a quack. It goes like this. Quack, quack, quack. Can you sing that with us? Quack, quack, quack. Where should I look first? I'm gonna look up. Is that my song? No. My song goes quack, quack, quack. See down here. Is that my song? No. My song goes quack, quack, quack. Let's see this way. Is that my song? Yay! Mommy, Daddy, here I come! Thank you. You helped me find all the moms and dads. Birdies, do you want to come out and say thank you again? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Bye. Thanks for helping me help all the birds. Hey kids, that was a lot of fun. If you want even more fun, check out the coloring sheet in the folder. You can color your very own birdies and cut them out and be able to use them for the next videos. Bye!